Hi friends, let's move ahead with further more examples of cells living together in our body, that is human body. Let's move to the next slide. We can see here tile-like formation, okay, of cells. So these cells are living together to protect our body from our outside environment. Yes, you guessed it right, it is skin cells. We'll move to the next slide. As you can already see, the cytoplasm or protoplasm is there, nucleus which we learnt about, and also the cell membrane, that is the boundaries of the cell. So these three parts we are well aware of now: the nucleus, the protoplasm, and the cell membrane. So we'll move to the next slide. Epithelial cells. Skin cells are also called as epithelial cells. If we swab or scrape the inner walls of our cheek, without hurting, we will get a sample of skin cells. Of course, there are different types and arrangements of skin cells in different parts of our body. However, we'll get one type from our cheek cells. So we can stain it, and we can look at it more clearly under the microscope. It looks like the cell which is given in the background. You can see it's very flat. So let's move to the next slide. There are different types of skin cells which work together to not only protect us, but they create waterproof coverings, they create glands for secreting important hormones, they allow movement of food and material through our esophagus, that is food pipe. They also help in absorbing different nutrients into the blood, as you know, in the digestive system. Some skin cells even have thread-like outgrowths which push the material in one direction. So they have thread-like outgrowths. They are called cilia. So different types of skin cells are shown below. Simple squamous, stratified squamous, etc. We'll be learning one for now. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. Squamous pavement or tessellated epithelium. So you can see they are very flat and they are irregularly shaped, but they fit together like a glove, like floor tiles, they fit together. So what do these squamous epithelia do? They cover all the delicate body linings in our mouth, esophagus, that is food pipe, nose, alveoli. As you might be aware, they are small balloon-like structures in our lungs which help to exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen. So they cover the tongue, they cover our outer skin, they protect us from injury and prevent entry of germs, which is the most important for our body. They also act as a semi-permeable membrane. Permeable means permission. Semi means part only. It will allow only certain materials to pass through it. It will not allow anything and everything to pass through it. That is called semi-permeable membrane. So we have learned that skin cells not only protect us, not only waterproof us from the outside, but help us in absorbing, moving and secreting different materials inside our body also. They will absorb like in digestive system, move like in our food pipe, and secrete different materials like in glands, different glands. So we have learnt about simple squamous cells, okay, which fit together like floor tiles. However, there are many others which you can search for and find out eventually. This is the most important takeaway that everyone has to remember. Thanks a lot, friends. You can contact me in the below given details. You can follow my Facebook or Instagram page @Junior Rao Teaches. Thanks a lot.